In this video, we're going to take a look at how to install plugins, both by hand and using the automatic method built into WordPress. So, I've heard about this pingback killer plugin that disables trackbacks and pingbacks to help prevent spam. It's a very small plugin, so we're going to use this as a demo. To install the plugin by hand, I need to download it first. So it's downloaded, and I get this little zip file here, which I can now decompress using my archive utility. And now we end up with this pingback killer folder. So I now need to connect to my web server using my file transfer utility here. This is transmit. And I'm already in my main WordPress directory. Plugins are installed in the WP content folder under plugins. So I change directories into that directory and then just upload the folder. There it is. Now I can switch back to my web browser, go to my site, and here's the plugins page. So I can click this again, or the installed plugins link, or since I'm already there, I can reload. And there it is, Pingback Killer. All I need to do now to activate it is click the activate link. There we go. Now, as it turns out, with this particular plugin, there are no options pages or anything that's shown in the WordPress user interface to tell me that it's working. The only indication I have, other than that message at the top of the page, is that the row has turned white instead of this shaded color here. And now that activate link has become deactivate. So, that's one way. And now I'm going to deactivate it and do it a different way. So I deactivate the plugin, and I can also delete it from here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say, yes, I do want to delete these files. And the plugin's gone. So now let's take a look at the automatic method built into WordPress. Click the Add New link. And through this user interface, which is very similar to the one on WordPress.org, I can find and install a plugin directly. So I can look at the featured plugins, popular plugins, and so forth. In this case, I know the name of the plugin, so I'm going to switch back to search and search for Pingback Killer. Here it is. So if I click Details, it brings up this little pop-up window. And where on WordPress.org it shows Download, here it shows Install. So I can click this. I'm going to close this, though, because I can also use this. Yes, I am sure. There it is. WordPress downloads the plugin, unpacks it, and installs it for me. And I can even activate it from here. So I'll do that. Same message. The plugin is activated, and we're good to go. So that's how you install plugins by hand or from directly in WordPress.